Kath and I just caught a nice fish, and it's big enough to pump.
It
so we
is.
could do a throat sample to find out what they're eating so we can refine the patterns we're using when we're fly fishing this lake. So we've got the fish in the net now, and I'm using my pump, squeezing it a couple times to lubricate it inside the bulb, inside the tube and outside the tube, but no water in the bulb. Try to calm the fish down by turning upside down in the water. So, and then squeeze the bulb into the tube. You get a vacuum seal and you back it out. Slide them over the side of the net. Let them go. So now we've got our vial, water. We're gonna squeeze. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
Oh, there's chironomid pupa, there's chironomid larvae,
Bloodworms.
there's bloodworms, there's
Daphnia.
glassworms, Daphnia. So this guy is feeding, which gives us a lot of good information on what patterns and sizes and colors to use. So that's the value of using a throw pump. It's a live sampling tool. Do it properly on a fish big enough, 12 to 14 inch minimum size, and then you can get a great idea of what they've been eating.
Yeah, now we go shape, size, and color.
Exactly. Catch more fish.